So today I'm going to install this Alphatherm heated washer fluid unit. It's a little on-demand device that sits in line with your fluid going to your windshield or rear window. And as fluid is pumped through it, it automatically detects and it turns on and heats that up, so it comes out and helps de-ice your fluids. So it's thermostatically controlled all in one device, and all I have to do is hook up power. So I'm going to be installing this in 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJ today. And here's basically what you get. Get this heater. It's pretty bulky. See, it's got this top on it, like I should mount it upright. Couple of connections there. You see there's inlet and outlet on it. And a fair bit of wire it comes with. Heavy duty wire. I don't know what that is, 10 gauge or so. Let's take a look. What does that say? 8 gauge. 8 AWG down there. If you can see that. So, okay. Positive and negative with a little ring terminal, so ought to be easy enough to find a place to hook that up. It does come with a fuse in here that I can't seem to get off, okay. And it comes with a mounting bracket that's a little hard to get it to push into. As you can see, there's that mounting bracket, so try to find a place to put that. Looks like a couple of self-drilling sheet metal screws. So self-drilling, self-tapping, a couple of zip ties, and a few washer joiners so I can cut my line or put it in line with my washer hose. And the little manual here. Let's see what the manual has to say. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, package, what we need, how to install it. Alright, great. Go figure that out.